everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I'm seeing Project Hail Mary, like in IMAX. If I like it enough, I'll see it in IMAX. My phone doesn't have much percent, you know, when it's 10% it won't film, so I'm going to stop talking now and wait until I've got the trailers. I'll have to get shot of this. Right, let's go see. Michael. There's probably, like, there's posters there. There's a poster nothing new. Project Hail Mary does that. I've got all these posters here. I've seen that scene reminders of him. Joey hopefully is doing a signature video. Poster there. So yeah, let's have a quick look again over here. Screen. So 2026 films. Unlimited. Gosh. You know. So yeah, let's see it. Five. Yeah. Oh, okay. So here.
%of our young people are eligible for pupil premium. A lot of our young people, when they come back from holidays or weekends and we've asked them what they've done, you find out that actually they've not left the house through the family not having the means to do that. So the buses are really important to us as a school because it enables us to broaden our young people as well.
If we didn't have the bus, I would feel left out and it would be kind of boring because all my friends are going on trips and I didn't.
Has anyone got a favourite trip that they've been on the bus? Bowling? Oh my, are you good at bowling?
Yeah, why?
Yeah? What park? South London Fitness Centre Park. Oh, I love Centre Park. Just hearing them talk about their days out, reliving those positive memories, it's incredibly uplifting, and it just makes you realise that this is their ticket to opportunity, an opportunity that they deserve access to.
Our stories aren't made in Hollywood. They're made in the Royal Navy.
I feel when I went to work, I wasn't sick. I was just eating.
Nobody's purpose in life is to be a cancer patient. Many of those patients want to continue to work to maintain that sense of normalcy and empowerment.
It's something that every individual has to decide for themselves. Work was a way that I could still feel like myself.
Getting out of bed, you're the fighting chance is all we got.
We can make work a better place for Eileen. What's the recipe for a good life? It's here, in this omega-3 filled wonder, in these vitamin-rich miracles, and in this protein-packed perfection. Every day, This goodness feeds your greatness. Bird's Eye. That's a recipe for a life well fed.
Imagine a whole city of young people. Well, I'm going to do this job buzzing with big dreams. A place packed with untapped talent. Somehow, balancing the impossible. Facing rejection, but never giving up. Over 900,000 young people are out of work, enough to form the UK's third biggest city. The King's Trust can help you with the skills and confidence to start a career. The King's Trust, working for young people.
We're all going somewhere, so let's go there together. Transpennine Express. Together, we're going places.
Today, All-Star Release. Tell us what you saw.
I didn't know what it was. I'd never seen anything like it. I've never seen anything move like it. The tech was amazing. It was like out of this world. Did it come from the stars? I don't know. But it had one on it.
This is you on your first day as a teacher. This is a class you'll inspire. No, really inspire. This is a lesson you'll learn from her, him, and then here's the day you'll put to the test.
And this is the day for you.
These are all the lives you'll shape. This is
Jason
the one you'll
Statham's
shape
into the
most.
building.
Serge, get into teaching.
Helen's just used Confused.com. And the weight of car insurance burdens her no more.
Mum, Helen adores you. She would love the company.
I don't like your mum.
Okay. Insurance feels better when you've just used Confused.
Bill! Is your door in the drawer?
No?
Well, now's the time because People's Postcode Lottery's big spring win is back as citizens across the nation put their doors in the draw.
£25.7 million. That's what you and your neighbours can win a share of in our April draws.
Can our door enter?
Yeah, and your neighbours too.
Whether you own or rent, absolutely any door can enter. This door, their door, even your door.
But is it in the drawer?
Exactly.
Nice colour. Is your door in a drawer?
It certainly is. Matches your suit, Fred.
Why, thank you.
Your door.
Sign up your door before midnight on the 31st of March!
A share of £25.7 million must be won, but only if your door is in the drawer.
Supplies. I said send supplies.
Say again?
Trouble hearing? Get a free hearing check at Specsavers.
He's not having trouble
Expensive
hearing though.
too.
It's
Are
just,
you sure M&M's cookie dough needs baking?
Trust me, I'm
it's basically
50%
the,
sure.
whatever, you know what I mean.
40.
Oh, this is why I don't leave you two on
New M&M's cookie dough flavor. No baking needed.
Hey, what?
M&M's. It's more fun together.
Okay, bye.
Tracking her every move. Restricting her from going online.
Hi, sweetheart. Your dad and I are starting to get worried. Please call us back.
And isolating her from her family is abuse. Enough. End violence against women and girls.
When I'm stuck in traffic just like this, I don't know why, but I lose my freedom. Then I hear the wheels hum on the track, and I let go with so much freedom. Free to be it, we're gonna choose, 'cause it's our free.
With more services and faster journeys, enjoy freedom all the way.
I used to hate going to work. Now, I love it. Goodbye 224 bus. Hello 224 patrol vessel. I swap 4 buses a day for 4 countries a month. Best commute ever. I was born in Liverpool, but I was made in the Royal Navy.
So, we're having a baby.
Oh, love. That's fantastic. I'll pop the kettle.
Look who's on.
Some moments deserve gold.
I still can't believe it. Norman's home.
You were bound by the chains of duty.
Until true love turns
Faith in the
whole
Hunter.
world on its head.
And all the while, you were watching pants dry. Audible. There's more to imagine when you listen.
Nothing beats a Jet2 holiday. Book with just a £60 deposit per person. Jet2 Holidays. Package holidays you can trust. Patronato protected.
I hope you can walk because I'm not carrying you.
Saw or shovel?
Our stories aren't made in Hollywood. They're made in the Royal Navy. Enjoy the film.
Not this advert again, it's weird.
The all-new, all-electric Toyota CHR Plus.
Yeah.
Get that
that Toyota electric feeling.
Mermaids can't survive without water, and if water's electric, they'd be destroyed. Same with before, they couldn't get connection.
What did you steal?
Secrets. The data they paid me to protect.
Are they people?
No.
Yes,
Good morning,
Steven
Kansas
Spielberg.
City. Let's take a look at today.
Disclosure Day. Beatboxing Emily Blunt.
Do you understand what she's saying?
I hear it. It's gibberish. I can't understand it.
And I can.
What's happening to me?
People are starved for the truth. I'm a part of it now. I'm just sorry that they made you a part of it too.
Hello, Jane. Have a seat.
This 79-year terror campaign of lies has to end.
What are you gonna do?
Full disclosure to the whole world.
That truth will upend all established order across the entire world. If you do this, there's no one doing it.
Why would they do this?
When the time is right, everything will become clear.
Whatever happens, don't you let go.
Yes. Mandalorian.
Hey, never touch the buttons. I can use some information.
Whoa, for this price, I'll tell you whatever you want.
I'm looking for a hot.
Close for the night. Thank you.
Gangsters. More criminals.
Long live the Empire.
We'll take out every bad guy in your deck of cards.
This isn't about revenge.
You missed out with Disclosure Day. What?
It's about preventing another war.
Yeah.
Strap in.
Similar themes, I guess. Stars. Oh my gosh, it's Jar Jar Binks or whatever.
Before going into harm's way.
Do you know the big fat guy?
The kid will live centuries beyond me.
Great shot, Yoda.
I won't always be around to protect him.
Is it? I don't know.
Are you scared? You should be.
Martin Scorsese is in this. I think it was anyway.
I like this kid.
What are you waiting for?
Not directed by Taika Waititi, no, it's Jon Favreau, is it? Yeah, Jon Favreau. Not Taika Waititi. I know he's directing a separate one. Here we go. I thought on Michael up first. I bet Avengers will be on. Hopefully.
You managed to get most of it on the paper this time. Good job, buddy. I, Cara Zor-El, hereby declare that 23 will be the best year yet. Let's be honest, babe, it's not a very high bar to clear.
I didn't know any of you were still alive. What was it like to lose everything in a day?
Krypton did that in a day.
You'll see Krypton then in this one. Okay. You technically saw Krypton already, didn't you? Technically in the first one.
Okay, this does not look like this is gonna end well.
You're gonna see
For you guys.
Krypton that's our next then. I see the trailer obviously already.
Do you others on your planet have powers like you?
No, it's a pretty small group of two.
Lobo!
He sees the good in everyone. And I see the truth.
Oh yeah, I forgot. It must be a thing that they're doing where they don't show the title, they just show the logo of their suit. Oh, you know, logo. Masters of the Universe.
Legends and bedtime stories. Talking tigers, spaceships, magic swords that can make a man as mighty as a god. Where I come from, that stuff is real.
My phone has 4%. So could I have like your phone just in case?
Why did you send me away?
Okay.
I wanted you to be safe. So I sent you to a place I knew that they'd never find you. There's
Oh,
yeah. With nerd stuff and sword
stupid
things.
that controversy
It's not a
was,
good
wasn't
look
it?
for human resources.
I know it sounds crazy, but that sword.
Man, is it a pronoun into gender? You know what I mean? Anyway, I'm not getting into it.
Sir, you can't do that.
Don't worry.
He looked like he was constipated.
Hang on, it's about to get weird.
Big Guardians of the Galaxy, isn't it? It's funny, I thought it was connected. I forgot Masters of the Universe. Is it connected to not Thundercats or Highlander, Red Sonja and Conan the Barbarian? I forgot it wasn't Skeletor.
You protect them.
Looks a bit Guardians of the Galaxy meets Shazam. You know what I mean? I don't know. That looked like Thor though when he would do it in the first one. We were doing that.
I am the Thor!
So it looks so good. Okay, we're good. This will probably, just in case, so we'll manage. Wow. Hello, Sydney. in this maze. I want to put the maze so it's not avoiding her. In there, you know, the thing.
Sometimes it's okay to pretend.
Out of all the great films that's released this year, Red Family's alright, but like, oh, Hunger Games, and Mortal Kombat 2. Surprise those works well. Well, like, there's Mortal Kombat and things like that. Loads of good films out in 2026, and they chose Red Family. Even that's alright film. Alright, not the best Brendan Fraser film. Always want to take Gleason. Took my 2 drinks at the same time.
Sit back, relax, and get ready for takeoff. For the thrill seekers, with more ways to watch.
Okay, we're back.
Welcome back.
I'm just worried that it's 2%.
Please respect everyone around you by not talking or checking your phone during the film. Now, switch it off and get ready to feel more. Again. Feel more than Cineworld.
I'll be that advert.
How much can be better than that? Ooh, Pepsi. Now that's better. Don't make it meh. Make it tasty. Make it refreshing. That's better. Your meal's better with Pepsi.
I don't mind seeing this advert though, it's such a banger. Why is this advert so long? Why is this advert so long?
Of course I did. Good boy.
Okay, that's copy. Just got back from seeing Project Hail Mary. I had some Chinese food and then I decided to do this video. So what did I think of it? Sorry. If you've seen the film, you understand. Yeah, it's a weird one because first half of it I was like, not that keen on it. I don't know what I was drifting off and thinking about my own things, like Avatar. Actually, I wasn't. Well, at times I was. And I was like, these critics are wrong. Mostly they're wrong, but you know, I didn't agree with them. Surprisingly, not. Oh yeah, and then it went to the middle half, and I'm like, right, yeah. So because that is one of the most breathtaking and stunning work of media ever. Literally, it looked like that Tom Cruise SpaceX film was cancelled. This looks like it was replacing that film. It looked like it was all shot in space. Basically, it looked all realistic. It's Like, this next year needs to win Oscar for best visual effects. This year it's Avatar. Next year it's Project Hail Mary, where the stunt coordination and things like that get introduced. Because my God, that was stunning. That was stunning visual effects, and yeah. And near the end, with the Rocky and Jesse was Ryan Gosling's character called, I forgot. When they are parting ways, not really a spoiler, you know what I mean, you expect it. You do get a few, not tears, but a bit emotional. You know, you feel this bond and this friendship. If Snow White wins worst award at the Razzie because of you know, bond and chemistry, then why can't this not win a good award at the Oscars? Because their chemistry is on point. Don't expect everything is off limits with this on there. It's like so unbelievable, but believable at the same time. I just really enjoyed it. The Chinese guy, he was really funny. The film was a lot funnier than it was marketed and expected, and I don't know if that will put people off, making it so then people don't like it, or if it will, they don't expect it, but it's a nice expectation, so I'm just warning you with that. Ryan Gosling is on point again. He's a great actor. He was great acting, or great in this. He was last one was apparently The Fall Guy, which 87 North did that, and this is going to be probably winning the Oscars for the best visual effects award on the same year as 87 North might. You know what I mean? Or stunt team will, and he represented the stunt team in that one, so that's funny. Good timing. It's like the Christopher Nolan Barbenheimer all over again. He's releasing a new film, Odyssey, on the same year as Doomsday. He'll never escape this. But this was more like a not James Gunn, Roland Emmerich, no, not Neil Blomkamp. I've forgotten his name, but the guy who directed F1 and Top Gun Maverick. It feels like his style, or like it feels like his directorial style. It feels like he directed it. Well, maybe not specifically like he directed it. It feels probably more James Gunn, but or maybe even Steven Spielberg. I don't know. I forgot who directed it. Put it on the screen, but I don't know. I'm getting that Top Gun director vibe because but I basically thought of it all the way through as if that incredible Top Gun Maverick space scene at the start was 230 minutes long, and if it were that, Top Gun would have been a better film. Joking, I really liked it. I got a few of you there, didn't I? But so overall, I really enjoyed Project Hail Mary. I recommend it. Support cinema, support film, support indie film, support indie cinema, even though this isn't an indie film, obviously. Please could you like and subscribe, but until next video, for more cinema trip videos and reviews, see you next video. See you later, bye.